Yo guys, Manchester United fan. How's it? So today I'm playing TLS. Don't worry about my team honestly. And I'm playing against Polango, the another team honestly. Just hope it's good. Don't worry about the loading. Yeah. Play with it, yeah. Yeah. Nico Williams had the first scorer. See, I call him King Garcia because he's the goat. He's the goat of my team right now. Come on. Yes. I think I win this game. What points? Yo, come on, boys. That's that's bad, guys. That's bad. If you wanna pass me tell the code and I'm there. Let's go post to the front. Come on, Garcia. That. Yo, push. Push. Ooh, you saw that. Ah, come on. Come on. It was a goat. Come on, Nico Williams. Rodrigo. That was close. That was close. Come on, boys. Come on, Martinez. Williams, come on. Boss cooking is here. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Ooh, that was close. That would be gold. My technique here. Is it bad or not? Ouch, ouch. Ooh. Yeah, that was a bad boss, honestly. Ooh, don't worry about the ad, guys. Don't worry about the ad. Come on, boys. We need some code. Come on, boys. We need some codes out there. What's that? Yo. Come, yes, yes, yes. Good boss. Make it through King Oshie Apostle Williams. Go, 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 go! Come on! Come, come, come on, guys. That's good, you guys get it, but that's good. You can beautiful shot. That two is the best duo, honestly. They're the best duo. Um, Come on, let's get him. Get the ball, get the ball, get the ball. Sarah is coming up. Come, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yo, Mr. F. Sarah win. I could Sarah win. Nah, that was bad, that was bad. That was bad. Yes, Williams. Williams making it through. Williams, does he? Ooh, oh, second. That's bad, that's bad. Williams, Williams. Ooh, Mario. Teen. Williams. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on. That's great goal. That's a great goal. You guys can say that's a great goal. Come on, Williams. Even since star player. Come join Mario. Vivian. Come on, Vivian. Come. Daughter. Williams making it through. King Oshie. No. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Let you be the player of the match. I think Williams. Williams, of course. Mm, Come on. Continue. 46 rand, yeah. 46 coach, yeah. Crazy. Sick. I'm second on the leaderboard. If you guys want another match from me, you know what to do in the comments. Just say play it, play it, and then I will play it. I will show you guys. I will become first. I will become first, guys. I will win this tournament, this league, this league. And if you're wondering what league is this, this is Division 1 league. Division 1 league. And don't worry about the knockout. Don't worry about the knockout. Let's see what's in my pages. Song, I would take song. I would take song. But it's just that I'm saving up coins for to upgrade my team. That's all. That's all, guys. That's all. Yeah. Let's see what I'm gonna get in the scouts. Ooh, Chaka's good. And Lobotaka. I don't even pronouncing the names right. Pronouncing the names right. You guys need to help me. Chaka, I would take Chaka, but as I said, I'm saving up to get to upgrade my stadium so I can go to the next league. I was supposed to be in the next league long time. Look at my stadium. And look how much rent I need each year. Victory. Let's go victory. Victory. And here victory. Capital. Pop. Community. Did I post victory? Victory. Why is it so much? Oh, now I know why. I need to remove the roof. Yeah, so I need 2,473 coins. If you guys want more videos, as I said, just drop the comment. Play it. I'll play it for you guys. I'll play it for you guys. So that's all for today. See you. Peace.